Rise and welfare of individuals, families, groups, and communities. Cristel Anquerando, Romero Fuertes, Mark and Joanna, Colleen P. Pilogria, Lunch, Patrick K. Borbollo, Mariolina G. Belia, Juan D. Vivas, Jeff John Warren Diaz, Maribel Joy Encinas.
Parents, etc. So, okay, sorry. Okay. So, okay na kayo? Nandiyan na mga kopya ninyo? Okay, so, please. Okay, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. State your address. Hereby solemnly swear that I support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated
of membership. So, ako bang direct? Okay, raise your right hand. This is state your name. A member of the Philippine Association of Social Workers, Incorporated. Hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully fulfill the duties of my membership. Through my active participation. And contribute to the best of my ability. To advance the social work profession. Uphold the Constitution and bylaws. And the code of ethics. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations and welcome to Pasni. Dapat kayo salamat. Yung may bisik na. Okay, pili ay message at pinako umakot lang.